Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Fiverr gigs for passive income. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your Fiverr gigs for passive income, start by conducting thorough keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Trends or Fiverr's search bar to find popular phrases. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your gig title. Craft a compelling gig description that highlights your services and expertise. Make sure to include your primary keywords early in the description. Use bullet points for easy readability and to emphasize key features. Create an eye-catching gig image that represents your service. Use high-quality images and consider adding text overlays for clarity. Set competitive pricing by research. Don't undervalue your services, but ensure your pricing is attractive. Offer tiered packages to give customers options and increase average order value. Use Fiverr's Gig Extras to upsell additional services for increased revenue. Incorporate client testimonials and reviews to build trust and credibility. Ensure your responses are prompt to improve customer satisfaction. Optimize your gig's SEO by regularly updating keywords and descriptions. Promote your gig outside of Fiverr using social media or your personal website. Create content related to your gig on platforms like YouTube or blogs to draw traffic. Consider using Fiverr's promotional tools to boost visibility within the platform. Monitor your gig's performance and adjust strategies based on analytics. Continuously refine your approach to stay competitive in the marketplace. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your Fiverr gigs for passive income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.